You first boil water and pour in your coffee grounds, and then let sit and stir. For flavor, you can use some fresh chives. And then keep stirring. This will separate the chives vitamins from the other part of the chives. Once the coffee is hot and it has boiled for long enough, you want to pour the coffee into the cup, but you have to filter it first. The best way to use a coffee filter without actually having a filter paper is to just use a sock. So what you do is you would just take the cup, you use the elastic of the sock to fit tight, and then you pour the coffee right there in the middle of the sock. Now, you can take off the sock and you have your coffee. And it tastes just like Starbucks coffee.